Good morning, students. I am Sahil sir from Kendi Vidyalaya Valia. Today we have to learn a new chapter. We have to know about a new lesson, and the name of that lesson is My Elder Brother. My Elder Brother. This one is translation in English. This one is written in Hindi, a very good story by Munshi Premchand. Premchand has written this story in Hindi, and the name of that story in Hindi is Bade Bhai Sahab. Bade Bhai Sahab is translated in English, My Elder Brother. So in this story, there are two brothers. One is Bhaiya and another is Munna. They lived in a hostel away from their homes. Bhaiya was very strict. He only studied and studied and studied all the time. But Munna was very funny. He always wanted to play and only play. Munna used to go outer to play only games. But Bhaiya was very strict. He made one timetable for Munna, and he wrote when he will wake up, when he will wash his hands, and after whole day when he will go to the bed, what he will do. So at last Munna wept. Bhaiya, there is no any time to play in this timetable. I love play. But Bhaiya said, I also want to play. I also want to go outer to the field. But I know my responsibility because parents have sent us for reading here, for studying here, and you always wants to play. No, this is bad. You are my responsibility. Again and again, Munna passed his class, but Bhaiya failed. But Bhaiya told Munna that I am so hard because the foundation should be very strong. So I write one words 20 times. I studied all the time. So you are my responsibility. We should not waste hard-earned money of our parents. So we have to do our best in our study. So be serious. Now that day, Munna wept and realized his fault, and Munna also became very serious, and they did very good in their study. So students, by this we can learn from this chapter that we should obey our parents. We should obey our elders. So okay, because they are very well known. They are well known by their experiences. They know better than us. So we should obey all our elders, all our parents. And you should also make your own timetable. And you should follow that timetable. By the help of timetable, daily timetable, you can do better in your life. Okay? Thank you.